Today I want to show you guys this comforter set. We got it for my son. So this is really cool, very fun theme. My son loves construction toys. So as you can see, it has lots of construction toys on it. I mean the stuff, and you can see the sheet. It comes with one flat and one fitted sheet. As you can see, this is the fitted one. It fits really nicely and it feels really soft. It covers really good. It has bunch of room if you have little larger uh, mattress as well. So you can see it is not too thick, not too thin. It is perfect for all season, so works really well. He really likes it, and it comes with the pillowcase as well. You can see the pillowcase. It just fits on the standard pillow and just looks really nice, very cool, and he enjoys it. And it washes really good as well. Actually, we just washed it. So overall, really cool, nice, fun comforter set. I hope you guys found this useful.